Alright guys, what is up? So I believe we are live right now. I'm just gonna double check real quick. Yep, we are currently live and basically it is the 7th day of our little project we are doing now. I am slightly down for the day. I'm actually down 0.5%. Nothing too crazy, nothing like that's, bad loss or anything, but I just wanted to give you that update before we start because I did take a few trades earlier today. If we look at the notifications log or the history, I took some US trade, some NASDAQ trades earlier. Some hit the stop loss, some hit the break even. We are currently in a short on the NASDAQ with the market opening in 5 minutes. So it does have the potential to shoot through, but in my opinion, I feel like we're going to test this support level again because of yesterday's drop, yesterday's dip, right? So I'm currently in the short, sitting on some profit, but that can quickly change. We're only sitting on 59 ticks in profit. And when the market opens, we can literally see a 200 tick move in 1 second. So we're only risking 0.25% on this particular trade. If I show you guys, we are only risking 0.25 for a gain of about 3%, putting our risk reward ratio on this particular trade 11.95 to 1, which is a really decent risk reward ratio. But if we don't start legging down more before market opens, we could be hitting the stop. But I don't really mind on this particular trade. Like I said, I'm not risking much. And there are sellers at this zone. So what I want to happen is this candle to kind of get pushed back down, this trend line it was trying to create, this downward trend line it was trying to create, right? So that's what we're doing right now. Let's see if there's anything else before the market opens. Let's just take a look. It's just going to be insane when the market opens. We're going to see some big moves. Let's see with oil. How's everybody doing, by the way? Oil could be a good long opportunity, actually. Let's see the 2 hour. We have 30 minutes left on this 2 hour. I'd probably want to wait for this candle to finish up, right? So I don't want to jump in now because of this sort of, it really does look like that this is just going to keep heading down, maybe to the 50 moving averages. So we're just going to chill on that. We're going to keep the NASDAQ short for now. But really, the setups aren't that good right now. They're not that good. I don't think so anyway. So I might even set, I was thinking of setting like a break even, but it's too soon. We're just gonna let this trade play out and see what happens during the market open, guys. But like I said, there aren't really the best setups. Yeah, the setups aren't that good, to be honest. What's gold doing? Remember that trade I was talking to you guys about yesterday about shorting the Euro USD? I didn't take it, but this would have been a good one to take if I did execute that trade, but we didn't actually take that one. So our NASDAQ trade is currently, it's going to be really quick, guys. You watch. When the market opens in 1 minute, it's going to happen in just like that. It's just going to go crazy. So when the market opens, if If it hits the stop, we're just gonna let it settle and then go from there. I'm just gonna pull up another time frame on my iPad just so I get a bigger picture of the Nasdaq. So if we do this, all right, so. All right, that looks good, guys. That looks good. How's everyone doing? Everyone's good? I mean, yesterday's, so if we look on the daily chart, right, if we just hide all of this, yesterday's spinning top, it does look like it could easily come down to here. It could even come down to 13,180. So that's why I'm in a short right now, because I do think that we could consolidate for a little bit on the daily. So we have the market. What's up, Deepak? Same goes for you, man. Have a profitable day trading. So you can see the volatility picking up, markets. Oh shit, market opened. Yeah, market opened 30 seconds ago. So let's see which direction we go in. If we break through, we break through. Let's see where we're going. Oh, it's getting closer. Stop. Let's see on the 1 minute chart. Ooh, look at that. Shooting through. I'm just thinking. During market open, it's like, it's fucking crazy. Like, we see insane moves. I mean, the shit is kind of tanking, which is good for our position. Let's just see. Like, you see these moves are just so fucking like, alright. We were 10 points in profit. Our stop loss is so tight, it's 10 points, right? So I'm almost considering just doing a slightly bigger stop, which is not like I'm risking much. It's just to give the trade some more breathing room. So if I have a 0.5% stop, it gives the trade more breathing room. If we start marching up to the upside, well, then that's over, and you know, that's probably the trade for the day. So we are risking a total of 0.5% for this particular trade. 418.4 is the stop. It's looking good. Looking good, guys. Fucking, if this candle can sustain, if this 5-minute candle can sustain, but we'll see. We'll see, guys. We will see. Take profit is a while away, but it's fine. Look at that. It's like, okay, it's not sustaining, which doesn't make me want to stay in this trade like I said, if this candle sustains, if this current 5-minute candle can sustain, and it closes deep in the red, then I'll stay in this. But if it doesn't, then I'll probably just set a break even and then exit break even. Baveen, do you care about correlations? Yeah, I do care about correlations. So we're 26 points in profit. $25 points, 22 points in profit. So the candle closed not the greatest. So it didn't close the greatest as I would hope it to. So I'm gonna actually minimize my risk and go back to a 0.25% risk. So at least it still has some breathing room, right? But the fact that it didn't, the fact that it did get pushed up, it doesn't make me want to risk more. So we did change the stop loss back to the original stop loss of 13,406.9. All right. Okay, so we're fucking dumping. Let's see if we can hit our take profit. Let's see if we can hit our take profit on this live stream. If it hits our take profit on this live stream, that's the trade of the day done. And we're good. We're good for the weekend. If it hits the stop loss, I'll probably call it. I don't want to, like I said at the start of this stream, I don't really see the greatest opportunities that I'd like to take. So, I don't want to. I don't want to, trade and trade bad setups and just take a bunch of stop losses before the weekend. So that's what we're doing right now. I could even set a break even just to minimize the risk on this. Because I don't like what's happening here. We set a break even stop loss because it's just going to be choppy. The chances of it actually hitting our original stop loss, it's quite high. Like you guys will see, if we hit the break even, it will most likely just blast through the original stop loss because the original stop loss is only like a 10-point stop, right? So if we were to head up again at this resistance level, then we could see that stop loss get hit. Let's see. Gonna have some water, guys. Like, look at this range on this 5-minute candle. And just this range is, oh, it's not that big. It's only 35 points. But if you compare it to pre-market, it's pretty big. Yesterday's NASDAQ short was a good one. Yesterday's NASDAQ trade, that short was good. This one, like this short, there was more confidence behind that one hitting the take profit as opposed to this one. Because if we just take a look, we are kind of in an upward channel. If we just draw a channel right here, we go like this, right? We're in this upward channel, you see that? So that's why the confidence behind this trade isn't as high as the other one. And we are about to get out. We're pretty close. Will it hit? Yeah, we're out. All right, so we are out of the NASDAQ. Honestly, let's just watch. Because right now, could just keep, you see what I mean when I said if it hits our break even, it will probably hit our stop loss. So it literally just reversed, hit our break even, hit our original stop loss, and would probably even hit our higher stop loss, which was up here, which it would have hit. It would have hit up here. We are at the top of the channel. This is where we could see a good, this is where we could see a good short. So, this is where we could see a good short. Entry. If we do our entry here, sell, stop, right? And then we have a new stop loss up here. Stop level 419. And then we can risk this. 2.5. What's 30? 30 is fine. Let's see what one of my mates want. Yo, what's up? What's up, bro? So how's it going? Nice. Are you still in? How much? Yeah. Yeah. I'm thinking of entering a short in a sec. Yeah, if you look on the 30, we're at the top of an upward channel, right? So if it breaks the channel, then it's out, right? But if it comes down now, then it's good to go in the short. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, we're at the top of the channel right now. We're still in the channel. Yeah. Yeah. It's just a matter of being patient, man. It's a matter of being patient right now, but it is still in the channel, so I think I'm gonna set an order. I just set an order. I set an order with a stop loss of the recent high it just made. As long as it can sustain this channel, if it sustains the channel and doesn't close outside of the channel, I think it's good to look at shorts, right? But if it just launches right now, let's say for example, it launches 30, 40 points, well then the channel's broken. And we could see it head back to like 13,500, you know? Yeah. What's up, Mohan Kra? Mohan CR? Yeah, mate. I mean, I've got the order in. Set my take profit. I mean, right now it looks like it's gonna be good for it to start falling. You know? We have, you know, the first, well, we have a red candle forming on the 5-minute chart. So it does look like it could be a high. It could be a high. That could be the high for the day. It just made, you know, at 422, 423. Yeah. I'm in. Yeah, I just got executed. I'm in the short. I got filled a little later, but it's okay. I think that could be it could be the high for the day. We'll see. We'll see. My entry price was at 395.4. No, 395. 395. 422.5. Now look at that. All right, with 17 points in profit. So I would say I'm gonna set a break even at the bottom of the channel. So once it comes back down, maybe it hits one of the moving averages, then I'll set a break even, because right now I'm at 20 points in profit, right? So Yeah, how much? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right, I'm gonna set a break even now. So we're gonna set a break even stop loss. So that way we're just protecting any downside. So we are back. Uh, we're basically, we're, well, my take profit is 13,258. So I'm just gonna set my take profit. Well, mate, the key thing is the risk reward ratio. You know, I'm not looking for a one to one on this trade. I'm looking for at least a 5 to 1. So right now it's looking good. It like we just hit the 50 moving averages. We just hit the 50 moving average. If it's bullish today, you know, then it's just gonna keep heading through. But if we are bearish, then what was that? All right, let's see, because we could be choppy during this market. A market open, like look at that. Yeah, just hit my break even. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, mate. So my question is to you: why aren't you taking these trades? Yeah. All right, let's see. I'm, yeah, mate. Yeah. Well, it just depends. If we're bearish for today, well then that could be the top, right? That could be the top for today. But if we are bullish, if you do look on the daily chart, right, we do see yesterday it printing a spinning top, which is a sign of a reversal, which we could see it. We could see it retest 13,000, right? So short, like taking shorts isn't bad. It just really depends on your risk management. You know, that's really the key. Like, how much are you willing to risk, right? Yeah. Hmm? Quinn says, could you share great beginner trading skill reference? I would say a great reference would be uh, The Disciplined Trader by Mark Douglas. It's a really great book to read. And in my opinion, it's the biggest thing, it's the most important thing when it comes to day trading, is really having the discipline to stick with your trading plan, to execute the trades. And he explains that really well. So I would highly recommend that book. So right now, we are actually we're pretty much break even for the day. This could actually be the first losing day on stream. So this is day 7, right? If you look at the previous streams, we were in profit every single day, okay? We ended the stream with profit every single day. Now, right now, this could be uh, the first day where we experience a loss. And just keep in mind that losing days are a part of it. You're not always going to be winning every single day. And the fact that I've been ending the streams with profit every single day for the past 6 days is really an amazing thing. Now, I say this because I look at the opportunities for the NASDAQ and oil, and I don't really see the highest probable setups. Right? I want to go short because I want to see it come down to the 200 moving averages. I want to see it retest this low. So that's why I'm short right now, right? And we're also, this was a resistance. So this could be a resistance. This resistance could be back. This, it did break the resistance, but it came straight back into this range. So this could still be a solid resistance. So that's why we're in this short right now. And, our risk reward ratio on this is about 5-1. So I'm going to hold this position till end of day and see how price reacts here. If we see strong bounces, I'll exit, but I haven't got a firm take profit on this particular trade just yet. But my goal would be around the 5-1 risk reward ratio. But if it hits the stop loss, I am gonna call it for the day, because the setups aren't, like I said, the setups aren't the greatest on what I like to trade. The NASDAQ, oil, and so I don't want to trade just for the sake of trading. So we have a new 2-hour candle forming right now. Let's see the 2 hours. All right, let's see. So yeah, we're risking 1% on this trade for a potential gain of 5 to 10%. So let's just see. We have 1 minute left on this particular candle. So we're just going to see how it ends. And then So we're just chilling right now. I'm also on the phone as well. All right, 50 seconds. It's not looking too good. It's getting close to our stop. Really close. Yeah, boys, I think it's gonna hit. All right, boys, so it's just a matter of waiting. Will it hit our stop loss? It hits the stop loss. We're calling it a day. And that will be done for trading. And we're basically sitting on a total gain of 10% since starting this project, which I can show you right now, guys. I'm not sure what's happening right now. Whoa. What the heck is happening right now? Whoa. Look at this. This is insane. You guys seeing this? Look at this 1 minute candle. Whoa. What the fuck? Look at this 1 minute candle. This is insane. Yeah, well, pretty rough chop. Pretty rough. Look at this shit. This shit is fucking insane right now. What is happening? Crazy, crazy, crazy. I think this shit, to be honest, guys, I don't really like trading this like choppiness. This shit is just too much. Like, it's just ridiculous. Like, we literally, that was a 40-point drop and now probably a 40-point gain, and it'll probably blast through to the upside. I do not like that. As choppy as Bondi on a windy day. Yeah, mate. Yeah, mate. Like, it got so close to our stop, I was like, alright, we're out, we're done. But now we're still in because it's fucking doing this shit. Like, it's doing this fucking ridiculous shit. Like, crazy. Crazy. Alright, well, we're still in. Like I said, guys, we're staying in. But if our stop loss hits, we're calling it a day and we won't be taking any more trades. And just to show you the account summary. So we started 6-7 days ago. We are up to $1,104, which is 10% gain. You know, our profit margin being used, but yeah, so that's the stats right now. Just ordered one right away. What did you order? What did you order, Quins? It's really, it looks like it's just in this range, right? So it looks like it's gonna be choppy until it decides to choose a direction. So if it looks like it is trying to break through to the upside though. What was that, Marcus? What did you send me? Yeah, mate. Yeah, mate. You gotta like, yeah, you gotta be focused, dude. You gotta be focused. So why don't you set an order now? It's heading back down to, uh, so I'm saying, why don't you set the order? Yeah. No, yeah, but I'm just saying, like, you're saying this now, but why not set the order? No, 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 not like now when he's not on the telephone. Yeah. Are you placing a long or a short? Oh, okay. Mate, this looks like on the 5 minute shot, it's just choppy, man. It just looks, eh. But yeah, sounds good, Quinns, that you ordered the Disciplined Trader. It's a really good book. Ooh, all right, what's gonna happen with this? I mean, do you see this? It's like we've been up and down since market open. It's really trying to pick a direction. It's just in this range until it picks the direction. So once it breaks through, so it looks like it's breaking through. It looks like, I mean, 30 points in profit. Yeah, I mean, my entry is the 20 points, 25 points above on a short. But the fact that it's just being so like choppy, what is this? I don't like it, you know? Are you trading the ranges? Are you trading the ranges? Should be close. This. Yeah. All right, mate. Boys, this is so like, what is this? Guys, what is this? This is like so boring. It's just like, It looks like it's coming for the stop loss. It looks like it's coming for the stop loss. Look at that, guys. Let's all watch. Let's see if it comes for the stop. It's coming. And like I said, guys, if it hits the stop, I'm out for the day. And that's it, because I really don't like trading this. Like, the thing is, when you see markets like this, just so choppy, your best bet is to just close the charts. If you see this, you don't want to trade this. You really don't want to trade this. So if you ever see markets like this and it's just choppy, and it's just not picking its direction, you're better off to just close the charts. That's like the best bet. So I'm sticking in the trade. I'm only risking 1%, which would bring, if it hits the stop, would be looking at a total gain of 9% on the account since the past week. So, that's pretty decent for a week. So, but yeah, I don't like this choppiness. It's just not. How do you see crypto prospects, say 1 to 3 years? Up, yeah. I mean, I'm bullish for crypto in the long run. Oh, it's getting close. And we are out, boys. It is picking the direction. So I'm peacing out. I hope you enjoyed this live stream. It is our first negative day. The first negative day since starting this project. And in my opinion, that's amazing. That's amazing, because this is day 7. The past 6 days on the streams, we've been profitable, and it's not always wins. It's we do take losses. It's part of the game.